Hello guys, hello, Sunny 19. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Those who are new, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, jokes aside now, I know most of you are wondering, now who is this? Like, you don't know this face. So I came here to introduce myself. This is the face behind Mama Nthabi, and I will tell you why later. Why this face today. Yeah, so let me, like, this is like a get to know me video type, so this is actually my second, if not third attempt. I attempted to do this without like writing my questions on the notepad, because I asked my friend to give me questions. So I thought I memorized the questions. So I just wrote them down on my notepad, so I don't bias again. So yeah, let me start. My name is Larato Ngwediphage, and my nickname is Bauli. I'll understand where I got this name from. It's interesting. It's another video. Like, they always say bo Merriman say YouTubers. So I'm from Lichtenburg in the northwest, but currently a Taung resident. Because of work. Yeah, so my occupation, I'm a construction health and safety officer, and I am currently studying I'm doing my NIBOSH International Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety with Shields Academy UK. Do I have talents? Yo, a lot, a lot. Yeah, I talk too much. It's a talent for me. I'm a makeup artist. I do special effects, and I'm 100% self-taught. Comedy, obviously, Mama Nthabi. For those who are on this channel for the first time, you can check my other videos. I think after this one, I'm going to like upload another Mama Nthabi. And then my height is 5.2 inches. Weight. I have lost so much weight, guys. I don't think I know my weight right now, because last time I weighed was in November last year, 2020. I'm from 127 kgs. Now I am 80. I was 87 when I last checked. I think I've lost more now, because I'm on this lifestyle. Hey, it's doing the things and it's hard to leave. I'm addicted now. But I started weighing because I don't want to be too thin. So yeah, my lifestyle, let me explain my lifestyle, because it's here. So now, because we talk about weight, let me just cover it. So I'm benting. It's keto. I don't know if you know keto. So I'm benting. I've been benting since 2019 January up until now. I'm going on my third year now benting, and I've lost over 30 kgs. Yeah, so it was not easy at all, but I managed to reach my goal and more. So now it's like a lifestyle. My skin was not like this. I don't think I need a ring light anymore, because lower, I light up the whatever's. So relationship, I know, I knew she won't leave this one out. I'm currently single and not available. I need to heal. Yeah, this time I want to date influencers now. Yeah, so my hobbies. This is a tricky one. My hobbies are making videos. I don't watch TV. Okay, let me say I hardly watch TV. I don't know if this is a hobby, but I talk too much. I talk too much, but it depends. Gore le mang. I don't just talk too much le batho fela. Chilling, spending time with my family, my cousins to be specific. Yeah, and what else? Video games. Yeah, I wanna like start like gaming. Gaming hard. If you're watching this and Chama, please get me a PS5. Then we'll talk. We'll discuss the rest. Yeah. So let me explain and then why I decided to bring this phase to this channel. So I started Mama Nthabi in 2016, I think. 15, 16. Yeah. I remember it was raining. Like the weather was almost like this one. It was very cold that day. So kapara seshweshwe sa my mother, and I don't know why. I don't know why I dressed up like that. So I was chilling. I wanted to intern at some radio station around town. So when I was chilling, I received an email from them. They said I can come. So I was excited, screaming in the house, what. So I ended up shooting a video using the accent that I use on my videos, which is the Nguruman accent. So yeah, and then I posted the video on Facebook. Yo, people went crazy. Here we want more. So I gave people what they wanted. And then Mama Nthabi started growing. I got booked for Hobonabo MC, things like that. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do this. Let me do it. So I did what Mensa wanted. And then I moved to YouTube. And I'm not consistent, but this year I promise you guys I'm going to give you what you want. And those who prefer this phase, ising earlier the bros on fleek and what. Yeah, I will also do something for you as well. So Mama Nthabi is going to be a segment from now on. Yeah, so I'm Lerato Page on Instagram. Please follow me, Gadaso. Facebook, Lerato Pauli Page. Yeah, man. I don't have much to say, but like I have you see now. Like this thing seems easy when other people are doing it. And I took it light. I thought, hey, I'm gonna flow. Can't you know I'm here breaking, that's all. But just my mistakes because I'm new and I will improve. We learn every day. Practice makes perfect and what. So yeah, I'm here now. Feel free to follow me on my social media platforms. I follow back, and yeah, let's become friends. And yeah, you're about nation now, so you're my people. So I have a visitor now. That's my boo Repente. Say hi to my people, Repente.
Hi.
Yeah. What's your TikTok handle? Yeah, he's on TikTok, so I will leave his details somewhere. That's all. Yeah. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your other friends. Invite them to come over here so we can have fun together. So yeah, that's all from me, and thank you very much. Bye.